Oh my god.
Ew. What is it with this wrist though?
You made a mistake. You better run while you still can. Chase him!
So all you gotta do is sit on the egg for a couple hours, and then you give birth to a baby chick.
No, I don't want to give birth to a baby.
So a lot of people are asking about how to spawn secrets on Steal a Brain. And people are doing this using something called a script. However, these are literally cheating. Your entire Roblox account will get banned if you use scripts. The only time secrets are really spawned is during the admin abuse events on Tuesdays and Fridays. So a lot of people are asking about how to spawn secrets.
You can ask for flowers. I sit for hours. Telling on YouTubers.
Hey, I'm delivering your food. Okay, thank you, sir.
Wait.
Amir, why are you ordering food? Because I'm hungry. Why else? This is insane. It's an honor.
Other kids should use Cynthia.
Yes.
So Ava gave me the cutest.
My goodness, that free dresser. Oh, and it looks like it's in great condition. Sweetie.
Hey! Stop right there! Stop right where you are! Don't move! Don't move! Don't shoot! We just crashed our drone. Hey, well, we're not. Hey, we're just gonna... Today, guys, we're going to be revealing a brand new secret, and we're gonna do so by opening 500 dolphin crates and trying to get the brand new Delfini. But
Do you want free internet? For what? You got it. We're offering free fiber-powered internet when you switch 4 mobile lines to Spectrum. No internet.
10 brain rats were removed from Brain Rat Evolution. Tung Tung Sahur, Unzatogi Tob, Grandma Ramaram, this thing, Akramat Mat, Dog Dog Beta Dog, La Isok Sikola, Golden Sahur, Rainbow Sahur, and Omega Sahur. And this secret RIP crate has all of those brain rots inside of it. So let's open one up and hello everyone and welcome back to Brain Rot Evolution in Roblox. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Update 39 that just got added to the game. We've got tons of new stuff.